kid friendly. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications, and yeah. Now we're going to cut the edges of the bread. Now we're going to start putting in the ingredients. So first we're going to crack 2 eggs in. Two tablespoons of sugar. Teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon tablespoon of vanilla. Now we're going to put 1/3 of almond milk in. Now we're going to start mixing it. Now we're going to put it at medium heat, and we're going to put in coconut oil. Now that our coconut oil is in, we're going to mix this thing, the bread. Now we're going to put the bread on the pan. Now we're gonna flip the bread until it's nice and toasted. French toast are really good. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell to get notifications, and see you guys later.